That was so fast. Try August. This is a live reaction. Okay, slow Jeep. Okay, let's go.
You recording?
Good. Been recorded.
You don't know when it's coming, do you, Olive?
I actually do not know, and it's stressing me out.
That's a good feeling.
Oh boy!
You gotta do it with your glasses off.
Yeah, this is fast. It is so fast.
All right, one last one on the way back.
Oh boy, hold on. Hold on.
No
Let me put my
glasses,
glasses
no
on.
glasses. No
Okay, no,
glasses.
okay. Well, you gotta put them somewhere safe. Hold on. Okay. This is so scary. Let's see. I think I dropped the phone, by the way. I almost dropped the phone. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, my hand. Wait. I'm choking. Oh, boy. That is so fast. How do you do that, by the way?
What?
It goes.
You good?
I think I'm good. I'm having a headache right now. That was so fast.
That was his first ride, guys, in a
The new, what is it? Shelby. It's not Shelby, right?
GT500 2013 with the Whipple, about 800 horse. So.
And it's crazy. And I love it.